In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Black Ops 6 Zombies, network issues such as high ping, packet loss, or just lag and stuttering. The first thing we want to try is we want to come over here and search for Windows Defender. So open up the Windows Defender firewall. In here, you want to go to Advanced Settings. Now, once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to find Inbound Rules. In here, click New Rule. From in here, what you want to do is you want to select Port, press Next, choose UDP, and then what you want to do is you want to type in here these numbers 49152-65535. Once you've done this, simply press Next. It is 49152-65535. Press Next, and then what you want to do is just go Next again, and press Next again. And in here you can just name it whatever you want. Leave Black Ops 6, and then Finish. Once you've done this, you just want to close this down. Then you want to head over to CMD. So search for CMD here, right click, run as an administrator. And then what you want to do is you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Then type netsh space winsock space reset and press enter. Once you've done this, the another thing you can try is you can come down here and search for network reset. Try and reset here, and it will also restart your PC. And no matter what, after you've done all of these, you want to restart your PC anyways. So once you've done all of this, it should hopefully work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.